Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your Pipedrive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Calendar to Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that bouncing between two different applications to view your schedule can be time consuming and inefficient. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Calendar to Pipedrive, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, Company Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this menu here to the left, and to link your Google Calendar, you're going to click on this button here, Calendar Sync. Okay, so here, Pipedrive is going to give you a little bit of information about connecting your Google Calendar to Pipedrive. So if that looks good to you, go ahead and click on Add New Account. Okay, here you're going to go ahead, enter in the email address that's associated with your Google Calendar, and then click on Continue. Okay, next, Google opens up the browser, so they're going to ask you which Google account you want to connect to your Pipedrive. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, so Google lets you know that Pipedrive is requesting this information. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, Google lets you know that once you give access to Pipedrive CRM, they're going to be able to do all of this in relation to your Google Calendar. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, next, this pops up, so you can go ahead and choose the information that you want to sync between your Pipedrive and Google Calendar. This is going to vary depending on your business. So you can do a one-way sync or a two-way sync. You can save calendar events right here. You can change the privacy settings right here. So just read through this and see which one applies to your business. Once you're done, click on Start Syncing. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the active green button right over here on the left side. So now all of the information that I wanted to share with my Google Calendar is going to be processed in Pipedrive as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar to your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.